Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This video is continuation of the project car rental. So if you haven't seen the previous videos, please go and watch. And if you're a regular viewer of the channel, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Again, we are going to continue the video now. Up till now, we have created the OmniScript where we have integrated the navigation action at the end of this. And after creating the rental object, rental record, it will be redirected to the newly created record. Now we are going to integrate it on a page where we can actually start this flow from, because we're not going to create records from preview. It has to be launched from somewhere. So now in this video, we are going to cover how we are going to launch this. So firstly, in order to launch, we need to activate the OmniScript after completion of the configuration of all the steps and everything. Once you activate this, click on the drop down here and click on how to launch. It will present you a different ways how it can be used at various places. Like if you have a custom LWC, you can use this. So when somebody click on button or something, it will be redirected to this page. If you directly want to use the LWC component, you can use any of these. But we are going to create a link, and this link also have two methods, basically two themes, the Newport theme and the lightning themes, which you can see here as well. You can configure that. So in layout, if you see, it gives you lightning layout as lightning, basically. Sorry, the layout is lightning for this, and for this one it is Newport. We are going to use the lightning because we were doing the development in this theme. So we'll copy this and click on done. Once this is copied, we need to go to the object. The plan is to add a button here. So if you click on new right now, it'll give you this form. This is not what we wanted. We want to launch the OmniScript on new, or any button that we are going to create new one. So we need to remove this and add a new button. So once you are on this, go to edit object and create a new button. So let's go there. Click on new button or link, and in here you'll see different options for detail page link, detail page button, and list button. So we are going to choose list button, and this is for related list. We can leave it as it is and paste what we copied from how to launch part, basically this part. So we have directly copied this and pasted in this text area section, and we'll give a name as let's give it as rent a car. It will automatically come, and we can now check the syntax. It looks fine. We can save it, and now we have our button created, but it is still not pop up in here because we haven't configured it on the compact layout yet. Basically, we haven't added it in this section. So we need to go to list view button layout and click on edit. You see this, we have recently created this. We can add it here, and we can remove the new from here. It will be added at the last of the list once we save it. So it got saved, and now when we'll refresh it, this button will go away, and we'll have a new button called rent a car in here. Let's refresh and check, and you see our button is here. When we click on this, it will open a new OmniScript where we started it from. So it is same as what we have in here. It just got a new generic page. Now we can complete the things, basically the booking part, and everything that we configured there will work here. So we have configured the dates, and also the validation will work. If we choose the previous date, it will not accept it and will not allow us to move forward even if we click on next. So let's give a valid date, click on next. We can choose the car we want, click on next, and create a contact. So let's say Will Smith, and I don't know his phone number and the DL number. Click on next. You see the summary here. Everything is popping up. And now we can click on next. So once the record is created, it is redirecting to, navigating us to the newly created record. In this record, we can see the lookup fields that we created for the car and the contact. If we click on car, it will redirect us to the car record, and it will show the details that it was the rent was 30,000. And if we see the contact, it will redirect us to the newly created record with the details we provided. Also, number of booking days, that is 3, and the total rent, which was 30,000 multiplied by 3 is 90,000. So it's showing up everything correctly. Let me know if you want me to cover any specific topic in the comment section, or if you want me to create any other project or have any special request. I will really appreciate your comment. Also, do like the videos, subscribe the channel. It will motivate me to bring more exciting stuff. Thanks for watching.